प्रोग्राम में एक बार फिर खुशामदीद. Mr. Ambassador, there's another issue which is GSP plus, and Pakistan's GSP plus status is to be reviewed this month, if I'm not wrong. What you expect from Pakistan?
Yeah, it will be monitoring mission, which is periodical one. So it will be the assessment of the implementation of all necessary United Nations conventions for the application of the GSP plus system. So, you know, the areas human rights, labor rights, environmental issues, as well the good governance. Quite a lot of meetings will be with state institutions, but also with civil society organizations, with human rights defenders, but also with the companies, and actually with people which are working in the companies. And then, well, on the basis of the findings of the United Nations bodies, because they first of all are responsible for the monitoring of these conventions, and what we found on the ground. So the report will be issued probably with further recommendations. But yes, so it's no, the situation is quite often that in challenging situations and in not easy countries, either glass is how to treat it as either it's semi-full or semi-empty. So the aim is actually to have it at least not to go to the situation of almost empty. So the implementation of the conventions is really important. Regarding the areas, indeed, so both human rights, so like the issues of death penalty, like issues of blasphemy, forced disappearances, situation of minority rights, situation of women. So from this angle, then child labor and forced labor will key. So in this monitoring mission, and also the monitoring mission is also important from this angle. From that angle, that it will be probably the last monitoring mission of the present GSP Plus scheme.
Okay.
Because new scheme will enter into force soon, probably from 2027, and Pakistan will need to reapply in order it would like to continue with the GSP Plus preferences. So it means that the report of monitoring mission will be one of the most important sources assessing the progress and compliance with Pakistani commitments vis-a-vis these United Nations.
But so far, whatever Pakistan has done in context of GSP Plus, are you satisfied? Is EU satisfied?
Well, actually, I think that exactly the monitoring commission will look to that and make the conclusions. On one hand, of course, before that European Union identified, I think already 2 years ago, identified the main issues which we were asking to address Pakistani side. I had already during these 2.5 months quite a lot of meetings with ministers, other governmental representatives. We see certain progress, at least what really they are saying. Well, it seems we see some improvements of the legislation, but of course we see assurances of implementation. All the information would be collected from different sources, and then the conclusions will be made.
Can we say Pakistan still needs to do more?
Yes, we are saying that. We are saying that it should be, needs to do more. In particular, in this areas I have mentioned right now.
Mr. Ambassador, if you allow me, I have to take a short break here. नाज़रीन, यहाँ पर हम एक मुख्तसर सा ब्रेक लेते हैं और ब्रेक के बाद जैसे हमने शुरू में जिक्र किया कि जो इंसानी हुकूक़ की खिलाफ वर्जियों के हवाले से जो हाल ही में वज़ीर इंसानी हुकूक़ से भी मुलाकातें हुई हैं उस पर हम गुफ्तगू करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक मुख्तसर सा ब्रेक लेते हैं.